Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias Kitchen. Today I've collaborated with my fellow YouTuber Ashayami. We're going to make different types of Swahili snacks. I'll be making tuna cutlets and Ashayami will be making egg kebabs known as jicho la mkimwenza in Kiswahili. I'll put her link in the description box so you can able to check out her recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do, so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need some breadcrumbs, some salt to taste, a half a teaspoon of curry powder, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a handful of coriander leaves, 1 small slice of onion, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garamasala, 1 kg of potatoes, 400 grams of tuna can, 2 medium eggs, a half a lemon or you can use a lime, and lastly 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic pastes. So the first step, you're going to cut the potatoes into small pieces like this. Then sprinkle a bit of salt and pour some water. Then cover to let the potatoes to boil until soft. Let the potatoes to boil on a medium heat for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, while the potatoes are boiling, we are going to prepare our fish. I've used 400 grams of tuna can fish, or you can use the fresh one. Then followed by 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic pastes. Then you're going to add all the spices mentioned in the beginning and the sliced onions and a bit of coriander leaves. Then lastly, squeeze the lemon, or you can use a lime, and mix everything well. Place your tuna on the fire and cook on a medium heat until the tuna is nicely cooked and dry. Once your tuna fish is nicely cooked and dry like this, then your tuna is ready and remove it out from the heat. After 15 to 20 minutes, our potatoes are soft as you can see in the video. Drain the water and place them in a bowl. While the potatoes are still hot, using a potato masher, you're going to mash the potatoes until soft. Then you're going to sprinkle the remaining coriander leaves and continue mashing until everything is nicely combined and soft. And it's high time to shape our cutlets. I'm going to show you 2 ways to shape these cutlets. The first option, to shape these cutlets, you're going to take a small amount of the mashed potatoes. Then you're going to add the spice fish in the middle and shape it horizontally as you can see in the video step by step. The next option, you're going to take a small amount of the potatoes, then place the spice fish in the middle and shape it into a round shape as you can see in the video step by step. Repeat the same process until the potatoes and the fish are completely done. And it's high time to deep fry our cutlets. Place some oil on a pan and let the oil to heat up. And you're also going to need 2 eggs, sprinkle with a bit of salt and mix the eggs properly. Once the oil is hot, you're going to take one cutlet at a time, dip it into the egg wash, then afterwards apply the breadcrumbs and dip it into the oil slowly by slowly and deep fry them on a medium heat. Make sure when you're deep frying your cutlets, do not overload them or else they're going to burst. Fry your cutlet on a medium heat until nicely fried and golden brown color. When your cutlets are beautiful fried and have this amazing color, then your cutlets are ready and remove them out from the oil and place them on a plate. And our tasty spiced tuna cutlets are ready, as you can see in the video. They're nicely fried and have this amazing color. I'm going to cut one of the cutlets so you can be able to see how the inside look. Look how nicely spiced and fried the cutlets look. Serve along with some tamarind sauce, chutney sauce, some lemon or lime or anything that you like, and enjoy your fish cutlets. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. Please kindly don't forget to watch Achayami's recipe on how to make these meat egg kebabs known as jicho la mkemwenza in Kiswahili. I'll put her link in the description box so you can be able to check out her recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and see you next time. Bye bye.